Hi, it is super hot. My house is 95 degrees. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this really quick. And welcome to the vlog. So this is gonna be a decorate with me. If you are interested or wanna see how I decorate for Halloween, I know that fall is upon us. People are doing the autumn colors, the burgundies, the rusts, the oranges. Sometimes, I don't know, sometimes I wanna skip. I wanna skip the first part of fall and go directly to Halloween. And then after Halloween is over, then I go into the fall colors. I know that I really enjoy Halloween a lot. So I love decorating for Halloween, and I'm gonna share with you the things that I picked up from Home Goods. If you have not, make sure you go back and check out my haul that I did yesterday. Today is Labor Day. It is Virgo season. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. Let's get right into it. I have a couple of things that I normally tend to use when I'm making a tablescape, and that's what we're going to do today. My table is brown. I'll show you in a few minutes. It's basically this color, so that is great for fall, but we're doing Halloween. So in doing that, we want to use black roses, and these I picked up from Target at the dollar spot. And they have the black rose and then the black leaves. I have about 6 of those. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with them. I might not do anything with them, but I know that I have them. I'm sweating already. Then I have these plates. Yes, also from Home Goods, $9.99. So those are $9.99. You seen these plates in the haul yesterday. Glasses, and we have a table cover. I'm so sorry, it's so hot. And then we have napkin rings. Those are the basic items that we are going to use. So I'm not for sure what kind of glass to use. Okay, so these are the napkins right here. I could do 2 things with the napkins. I can put the napkins in the glass. They smell good. Or I can lay them across the plate. Like that. Let me go get the tablecloth. So right now I'm sharing with you the plates that I might use. The purple ones are lavender and the black shiny ones. Then we have the purple napkins. I also have 2 of the black. And then let's go around here. Now here is one of the glasses that I could use. And then here are the roses. And remember, I picked these up from Target. They are in the dollar spot. And this is how they look. I just love a black rose for Halloween. And again, we're doing a Halloween tablescape. And this is what we have. Here's the clear table. Here is the shiny sequency tablecloth that we're going to use to give a little bit of texture to the tablescape. So this is just some material that I picked up at the craft store. You can pick it up at Michael's, or Hobby Lobby has material, or, oh gosh, I can't think of the other one. Joann's, yeah, it's Joann's. So and it's doubled. Move it down a little bit. Yeah, just like that. I'm just checking to make sure it's even on the both sides. Okay. So this is going to be a Goorie setting for 4. Goorie Glam Tablescape for 4. And let's start off with our plates, the napkins, the large dinner plates, and then the salad plate. And these are all purchased at Home Goods. And so something like this, we want to keep it simple. We could just honestly, we could just do this and then set a glass. So I have 3 choices. I have a really nice, elegant glass. This is my favorite. It has little rhinestones at the middle part or the base of the champagne glass. So I really like that, the base of the flute. And then we have option number 2, the clear glass with a skull hand. It's kind of wonky. And then the last one is the skulls in black. But I really like this one because it goes well with that. So we could just do that, and that could be a Goorie Glam. Let me take these away, and we could set it just like that, and then put some type of Halloween centerpiece right here. That's one way. Let me do that. Let me set that up, and then I'll come back. Now you can see where I'm going with this. We have a very glam style of tablescape for Halloween. We just need a centerpiece and we will be done. And I don't think I have a centerpiece for this glam look. Let's move to the second look, okay? So let's go for the second look, and I'm gonna bring in the skull hands, and I only have 2 of the clear and then 2 of the black. So we're going to alternate and I always put my glasses at the right of the plate. Okay, so that's the first thing. Then we're gonna get, again, I am so sorry, but it is extremely hot in this house. Oh my gosh. I'm going to add the salad plate to the dinner plate. Now, because we are doing various glasses, I thought maybe we could use various napkins and then add the napkin ring to it. You can, or you don't have to. And then I'm also making it into a triangle and placing it gently across the table. not the table, the plate. So you can do that, and then add the ghost napkin rings to it if you want, or you can leave it like this. I think I want to add it's kind of messy, hold on. So what do you think so far about the tablescape? Let me bring it in closer. So I have added a centerpiece, and now I'm going to put the final touches on with the ghosts, and they have gemstones or rhinestones in the body of the ghost, and then little black jewel eyes. Oh, I like that. I like that. One of my ghosts is missing an eye. Okay. And I usually I don't put it all the way down. It's kind of like in the middle. And I feel like that would be it. You know, that's a simple glam Goorie scape. Yeah. Let me know in the comment section what you think. If you would do something different, add something. We didn't get to use the roses. I could incorporate a rose inside of the napkin. That would be kind of okay. I don't know if I want to do that here. So this is the rose inside of the napkin. Hide the tag. Let's see. You could put some additional roses in the centerpiece. And then that would tie in to the no. Yeah. Okay, so we added the roses to the centerpiece, and then we added 2 black roses to the black napkins. I say okay, and call it a day. Let me know what you think. Let me give you a view of that. Here's the centerpiece. The napkin with the ghost missing an eye. And he has a rose in there. This is the one with the purple. And of course we have different glasses, clear and black with the skeleton hand. And then that is the centerpiece. And we just added some of the black roses from Target in there. So let me know if you have any thoughts about this, if you have any suggestions to make my Glam Goorie Tablescape a little bit more gory. Let me know in the comments below. Remember, it is Virgo season. If you have not done your act of kindness today, make sure you do it now by clicking that like button. That's right, click that like button, subscribe and share. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay cool, stay hydrated, because woo, this house is 95 degrees right now. It is hot. All right, take care. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao, Riverdirty.